So I've already ran 3 miles today. Jump rope for 20 minutes. Did a chest workout. Do our boxing training. That's what we got next. Already had a smoothie too. The Hulk.
Last time they said that you walked in drinking like a 35-ounce soda or something.
No, it was a smoothie.
I understand.
It's a Hulk, bro. You gotta stay up. You know what I mean?
Whoa, whoa.
See that, right?
Oh, baby.
I'm in here with the Tiger King. Let's go.
So I don't get sweat from under his armpit. This is a shield.
Spit shield.
No, nothing. Fuck it up. Hey, listen. I get a single shred of sweat on me. $1,000. $1,000.
Yeah, I used to have.
Oh man, what's up? What's happening?
Well, we got round 1 here. The goal is not to beat the guy up. Let's see what happens. That's something I don't do well. Power by state.
Alright, touch gloves, back up. Listen, I told you what I said about me, man. Box.
How you feeling?
Oh, I feel great, man. Got quite a punch.
Yeah, hey, you got a couple in there though, right?
Yes, sir.
Let's get it.
Round 2, you gotta get this round 2.
Get in there. Get him, Ben. Get him, Ben.
It's where it hurts. It's where it hurts. You gotta go through the pain. Bottom line. You can't just lose your composure whenever gets hot.
Yeah.
You can't turn it into a street fight. Utilize your mind and control your emotions.
Yeah.
That's what's happening there. I put you through the fire just so I can test and see how you're gonna react. You can't teach the world of boxing in this amount of time. You came to me 5 weeks ago, okay? You're not gonna learn the world of boxing in that short amount of time. You're not, it's impossible. It's a step-by-step process. But for what we have, we're putting in a quick fix. Okay? So you gotta control your composure.
Yeah.
Control your emotions.
Well, I know I'm out of breath. And I know I can't swing more. And so it's like, let me just kind of tuck and not get wailed on.
But this is the best experience he's gonna have. Win, lose, or draw, it doesn't matter. I wanna put him in the fire. It's harder in here than it's gonna be in the fight.
Yeah.
Trust me.
The young kid, I was like, okay, he told me to go easy on him. Well, that mother trucker can fight, let me tell you. He's no chump.
You gotta get punched in the face to see how it feels, to see how you can continue.
Yeah.
Everybody got a plan until they get punched in the mouth.
So I'm fighting a guy who founded a meme coin, like Obama, Sonic, Bitcoin, in you. So I guess I'm gonna call upon my super friends, Mr. Beatnik, Mr. Robotnik, whatever his freaking name is, Donald Trump, XRP, and out of you. Those are all the opposites of your name. And I'm gonna kill you, nothing watch that over the face. I can jump rope 2 minutes, not stopping, easy, and just drop it. But I get in here, and a minute in, I'm like, I want to quit. So
Your adrenaline, and then you just,
Well, it's you get one spot in the fight or in the round where you got it. And you're like, okay, that's my time. I do whatever I want, and you spend all your energy.
See, that's what we're trying to not do.
Yes, right. Well, but that's what you want to do naturally.
It's called admiring your work. Do not admire your work. You still got a long way to go. Here.
Okay.
You gotta look at it. What's available? You see? That one shot can drop him. That one shot. That's what it takes. All it takes is one.